delicious, quick, and healthy. After learning this recipe, I only make vegetables like this. For today's recipe, I'll need half a cabbage, and I'll slice it into several small pieces. After that, I'll place it inside a plastic oven bag, which is sitting in a glass dish. I always place each ingredient inside the bag after preparing it. Now I'll need 1 carrot already peeled, and I'll slice it into very thin strips. I'm sure this recipe will surprise you. Next, I'll need half a red bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper, and half a green bell pepper, and I'll slice them all into very thin strips. The flavor of the bell peppers will add a lot to the recipe and its texture. Then, I'll cut them into squares. The order of the ingredients isn't mandatory. You can prepare them in any order you prefer. Now, I'll need 1 red onion, and I'll slice it into several strips. I love preparing this recipe to eat at work for lunch. It's very good. Next, I'll need 1 potato already peeled, and I'll cut it into several squares. This is a very quick and easy recipe to prepare and make. After that, I'll need 1 apple, and I'll also slice it into several strips. Now friends, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. I'll drizzle olive oil over the entire recipe. Then, I'll close the plastic oven bag and mix all the ingredients very well inside it, distributing the seasoning over everything. After that, I'll tightly seal the opening of the plastic oven bag with a plastic tie, making sure nothing can escape. Then, I'll trim the excess from the plastic oven bag and place the recipe in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After that time, I'll open the plastic oven bag again to remove the recipe from it, spreading everything nicely inside the glass dish used. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now, I'll serve a portion of the recipe onto a plate.